Git commands cheat sheet. Master the most important Git commands for your daily workflow, from basic commits to advanced techniques. Start by configuring your identity with git config. Set your name and email globally so every commit has the correct author. Use git init to create a new repository or git clone to copy an existing one. Always set the default branch to main for consistency. The basic workflow is status, add, then commit. Run git status to see what changed. Use git add to stage files for the next commit. Write clear commit messages that explain why, not just what. Use git diff to review changes before committing. Branches let you work on features without affecting the main code. Use git switch to change branches and git switch with the C flag to create a new one. Delete merged branches to keep your repository clean. Rename branches with git branchim if you need a better name. Merging combines changes from one branch into another. Use noff to always create a merge commit, which makes history clearer. Squash merge combines all branch commits into one clean commit. When conflicts happen, fix the conflict markers, stage the file, and commit. Rebasing replays your commits on top of another branch, creating a linear history. Interactive rebase lets you edit, squash, or reorder commits before sharing. The golden rule is never rebase commits that other people are using. If in doubt, use merge instead. Remote commands sync your local repository with the server. Use git push with the U flag to set up tracking for a new branch. Git pull combines fetch and merge in one step. Use git pull with rebase for a cleaner history without extra merge commits. Git has powerful undo commands for every situation. Use git restore to discard file changes. Use git reset to undo commits while keeping your changes. Use git revert to safely undo a commit on shared branches. Git reflog is your safety net. It tracks everything, even deleted commits. Stash saves your work in progress without committing. This is useful when you need to switch branches quickly. Always add a description so you remember what each stash contains. Use stash pop to apply and remove, or stash apply to keep it in the list for later. The git log command shows your commit history. Add one line for a compact view and graph to see branch structure visually. Filter by author or date to find specific changes. Use git blame to see who changed each line in a file and when. Advanced commands include cherry pick to apply a specific commit from another branch. Git bisect does a binary search to find exactly which commit introduced a bug. Use force with lease instead of force push. It protects against overwriting other people's work on the remote. Configure a global Gitignore file for editor files and OS junk like .ds_store. Add node_modules, build folders, and .env files to your project Gitignore. Use git clean with F and D flags to remove untracked files and directories. Always check with dry run first. Tags mark important releases in your project. Use annotated tags with git tagga for releases because they store the author and date. Lightweight tags are just pointers, good for temporary markers. Push tags separately with git push tags since normal push skips them. Here are common git mistakes to avoid. Never force push to main or shared branches. Always pull before pushing to prevent conflicts. Use git revert instead of git reset on shared branches because revert creates a new commit that is safe to push. Some quick tips for a better Git workflow. Write commit messages in the imperative mood, like fix bug, not fixed bug. Keep commits small and focused on one change. Use git aliases to save time on long commands you type often. Git Worktrees let you check out multiple branches at the same time in different folders. This is faster than stashing and switching. Create a worktree with git worktree add, work on a hotfix in a separate directory, and then remove it when done. Very useful for code reviews. That's the Git commands cheat sheet. Check the blog post link below for the full written version with more examples. See you in the next video.